interested in training abroad in the hospitality industry and you are seeking hospitality internships in the USA, we can help. The first step to beginning your cultural exchange journey into the USA is to apply online using our website. It is important to review the qualifications for the program as well as any necessary information as instructed before continuing with your application. Once you begin, you will be asked a series of questions that will help us ensure you are qualified for the HPUSA J1 Cultural Exchange Program. We will need to confirm if you have any family members living in the United States and if you have had any previous visas into the USA. We will need to confirm you are available to arrive into the United States within 2 to 3 months from the time of applying. We will also need to confirm the type of placement you prefer. You must have the full program fees available at the time of acceptance for the HPUSA J1 Cultural Exchange Program. Once these questions have been answered, you will then begin the actual application process. We recruit for 3 different cultural exchange placement positions: culinary, front office, and food and beverage. You are welcome to select one of these options. Under participant contact information, you will enter the following information as it appears on your passport: first name, middle name, last name, birthplace, city and country, nationality, or citizenship. You will also enter your accurate mailing address, phone number, email address, Skype ID, marital status, gender, and date of birth. Your motivational letter should answer the following questions and be under 400 words. Please do ensure you follow our instructions carefully. Under the education section, you will need to list all required contact information as well as the type of degree, major field of study, start date, and exact graduation date as listed on your degree. Under skills and additional information, we will need to know of any hotel computer programs you are familiar with. This is a requirement for our front office applicants. We will need to know what languages you speak, as well as if you have ever visited the United States, and if so, for what reason, such as summer work and travel or tourism. Under professional experience, you will need to list all contact information for the most recent and relative work experience or any on-the-job training, including any previous J1 programs or summer work and travel. You will also need to provide the position title as well as list the exact start and end date. You will also need to provide 2 to 3 complete sentences describing your current or previous work experience. Ensure you list any work experience or training that will qualify you for the program. Finally, if you have any hospitality-related training seminars that should be listed, you should list them here. Once you submit your application, it will be sent to our recruitment coordinator for review, and you will receive more details regarding the next steps. A lifetime career opportunity awaits you, and Hospitality Placements USA will organize everything on your behalf.